Cancer is not a death sentence. Cancer is just a tap on the shoulder telling you that, you know what, the path you're on is a little bit shorter than you would like. Make a right-hand turn here. I will be giving several lectures on the nature of cancer, toxemia, which is the root of all of our conditions, diet and nutrition, cleansing, sleep, stress, all of those things, and how they contribute to cancer, and how by controlling them and bring them under control, the cancer goes away. So that's why this video series was made.
Meditation doesn't have to be done cross-legged, but that's a great way if you can do it. You can also sit in a chair. You can sit a different way where you have a cushion between your legs and you keep your legs like this.
Chest up, chin back. I'm gonna pull my elbows and shoulders back into my belly button.
Wheatgrass can have very varied nutritional contents. It has to grow to the right length and stage. Then you take this, you juice it. 2 ounces on an empty stomach, ideally twice a day would be great.
I think you're gonna find that it's exactly what you need. Sit back, enjoy, and learn how to live a healthy and long life.